I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real?
Hello, Red Homes family! Today marks our first High Flyer Club. And nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong for 3 days and 2 nights. So this is just a testament of our hard work and sa mga qualifiers natin. Congratulations! You deserve this. Yung 1 year ng paghihirap natin to reach our quotas and targets. Everything is worth it.
Ayun, syempre, lahat naman ng toys hindi namin may experience kung hindi din dahil sa generous na realty and broker natin. Yan, si Manjana. So, super thankful kami. Ay, ako, yan. Tapos, syempre, nagka-chance din na makasama ko si Ben sa first travel namin abroad.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Siyempre, masayang-masaya. First, namin to travel abroad. Tapos, free pa. Kaya, masaya talaga.
I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? That's just how I feel.
Hello, Red Homes family. Unang-una, congratulations sa mga nag-qualify sa Hong Kong incentives ni Red Homes. And sana yung mga hindi pa nakasama and mga aspiring na gusto pumasok kay Red Homes, kita-kita tayo next year sa Singapore.
No, am I wrong? Am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? Yeah. But that's just how I feel. But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Magic's never ending. Filled with innocence and memories worth remembering. Every day is a different page, a story to unfold. We're young and then we grow. And through the trials we face, the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are becoming. Every day is a different page, a story to unfold.
I'm Elaine Sumeldan, Sales Manager of Red Sapphire Team. Yes, this is my first time. Masarap sa feeling kasi kung aanuhin mo siya ng magta-travel ka ng own expense mo, parang kailangan syempre marami kang budget, number 1 yun. Tapos mas parang mas nakaka-excite kasi free siya. Tapos yan, kasama pa yung mga kayo, yan.
It'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart.
From this day on, now and forevermore.
You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart.
Ngayon, nandito kami sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan, kakatapos lang namin ng second ride namin for today.
Sa mga coach na paborito ko is focus on your goal and blur everything. Yun. Pag sa real estate, ano ba yung goal mo? Halimbawa, makasale ka ng let's say 100 million. Para makuha yun, dapat hindi ka madidistract. Yun yung parang sa side naman ng blur mo yung everything. Yung dapat wala kang excuse, consistent and syempre hard work. Wala namang madali. Lahat naman pinaghihirapan. Pero ito yung sabi nga ni Ma'am Jana is yung pagod mo, yung hirap mo, unang-una ikaw yung magbe-benefit. So ito yun. Ito yung result din nung namin ni Elaine. Hard work, focus. So sana next year magkakasama naman tayo sa Singapore.
Always moving, we can't slow the hands. We're lost forever, we won't forget the journeys we faced and the dreams that we had.
I'm missing tonight. I'm lost in love fight. Lost in myself now. Just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the us do it. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Advice ko para sa mga ibang kasama namin, focus lang the whole year. Kasi last year, ganun din yung ginawa namin since January hanggang matapos yung December. Ayan, nag-focus lang kami dun sa goal namin na ma-reach yung yung total number of sales na qualifications for this travel.
Don't be scared, you got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't stop now. Don't try to hide it now. You wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, float along and listen to the song. The song say kiss the girl.
Sobrang saya ng experience na to. Sa totoo lang, nakakabitin. Kaya i-target nating mag-Singapore lahat next year para magsama-sama naman tayo.
Super enjoy and healing my inner child kasi laking Disney ako.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? A whole new world, a new fantastic.
Red Homes, salamat sa binigay niyong opportunity sa amin. Lahat ng pinangako nyo nangyari sa amin, dalawa ni Elaine, and ngayon inaani na namin yung mga tinanim namin last year, kaya sana next year at sa darating pa matupad na yung goal naman namin na maging magkaroon ng time freedom and financial freedom. Kay Ma'am Jana at kay Sir Loben, buti na lang ni-recruit nyo kami. Dahil hindi mangyayari lahat ng ito, at saka actually nahirapan ako i-give up din yung career, pero worth it lahat. Sobrang worth it. Yung hindi lang yung parang dito work parang lang to, parang bonding lang natin. Ganun na nangyayari, kaya ang sarap-sarap ng trabaho, ang sarap-sarap ng gusto namin kayo laging kasama, laging makita, ganyan. Kaya ibang-iba siya sa work kung talagang titingnan mo yung corporate work or ito, walang stress, konting pressure, happy lang.
Kay Sir Loven and sa inyong dalawa, wala na akong masabi. Actually, nasabi ko na dati, pero simula nang nag-start kami, sobrang laki nung pagbabago na yung past reality namin, yan, from dati, tapos ngayon, tapos nafe-feel din naman namin sa mga sarili din namin na malaki na yung pinag-improve namin. Tapos super thankful kasi laging guided. Ayun, tapos laging kapag kailangan ng help, magtatanong lang kami, tapos nasusolusyonan din yung mga tawag dito. Di naman problems, pero mga parang konting bumps on the road lang ng mga challenges with our clients. And sa pag-handle na rin ng motivational part, sana yung kapag nakakakita tayo ng mga achievements, like kasi ako personally, kapag nakikita ko na may nag-e-excel, parang namomotivate din yung sarili ko. So parang maganda na hindi mo siya titingnan as challenge. So parang inspiration na every time may nagsasucceed, ganon. Yung sumakses. Every time na may sumasukses, yan, parang lalo kang ginaganahan na yun yung nagiging energy mo para pagbutihan pa yung ginagawa na trabaho, or hindi naman siya trabaho, na ginagawa yung passion natin sa pagiging real estate salesperson. Then, sana sa susunod na mga travel, mas madami yung makasama kasi super enjoy talaga. Tas parang lakad barkada lang. Hindi siya bukod sa company travel siya, pero super ma-enjoy nyo talaga. Then dagdag banding na rin para mas maging solid pa yung team natin.
Slow the hands.
Won't last forever, but we won't forget
The families we love and the friends that we've met.
Just live the moment and love the memory.
In the moment, look all around. This is your life. Make every minute count.
For everyone na willing to join our Red Homes family, we are open and we want you to be part of our team. For all our existing property specialists na syempre hindi nakahabol, don't worry kasi mahaba pa ang taon. Kayang-kaya pa nating habulin for our next travel in Singapore. So I hope I can see every one of you the next year, 2026, for our High Flyer Club travel. And again, congratulations to all our qualifiers for this year. I hope you enjoy this 3 days travel na meron tayo sa Hong Kong. Ayan. So, thank you and God bless us all.